Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the gender of your Bitmoji in the Snapchat app. Friends, please subscribe to the channels. Also put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. Let's get into this topic. And first, open up the Snapchat app. Next, in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. And now, if you wanted to change your Bitmoji, pause. Change its gender. I have it as a girl. I would like to change it to a guy. Then you need to click on the gear in the top right. Then select the Bitmoji option. And here, in order to change this, you need to delete the Bitmoji you already have created, because there is no way to edit the gender. Click Delete My Bitmoji. Delete. Create a new one. And now you'll be able to choose a different gender. I had a girl, yes, I choose now a boy, and then create him, give him a face shape, skin color, hairstyle, clothes, and so on. And after that you can save the changes. This is how it is, friends. You can change the gender of Bitmoji in Snapchat very easily. I really hope the video was useful and helpful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.